So guys, back with another video in the series of tutorials, and in this video we will be diving deep into the method called as slice. And this is, guys, is very important whenever you are dealing with some string manipulation and string extraction and string processing or text processing. In those scenarios, this method, the slice method, will be, of course, it is surely used in those kind of areas. And make sure that you know this thing. So I'll just quickly open with the HTML tag, and then I'll just quickly write the title as our method name, and then quickly open the script tag. Guys, again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I will be coming up with programming stuff, crash courses, tutorials, and coding related things. And also hit that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I came up with some videos, right? So yeah, let's begin with the demonstration of the slice. And here I'll just create a new string object, and I'll quickly console it to the log, because I usually do this because it gives us a confirmation, right? It will be, yes, this is an object which we are dealing with. And of course there is a empty object because I haven't given anything. So I'll just say hi, hello, some kind of thing, and just say hi, hello, and save this file and refresh the thing in the browser. And as you can see, this is the string which we are dealing right now. And let me begin with the slice operation. So what I will do here is I'll just say str.slice and then close the brackets. So now, guys, in this slice method we need to pass two parameters. One is the first parameter. This parameter should be the beginning index from where I need to slash the string. This string, str string, has got this hi hello in it as a value in that. So I need to pass the first parameter as the index from where I need to extract the substring, or in other words, slice that string. So it is again, since the string is zero base index, as you can see here, we need to give that from 0 to n. So I will just say 1. And the second parameter is optional. We can give that for or we can eliminate that. So for the sake of simplicity's sake, and I'll just exclude that and save this file, and let me check the output of this. And as you can see, we have got I hello, and then there is a space in between that. So what this indicates, one indicates the index 1. So this one indicates I. So I'm printing from I to the end of the string. So this is what we got, from I to the end of the string. And of course I will just say copy this entire thing, and if I just specify some other string index of that string, let me say 5, and let me check with the thing. As you can see, it is just printing LLO. The reason is because the phi index has got the L, and it printing from L to the end of the string. That's it. So let me begin with the next parameter, which is optional. And let me say here what I need to give is the the again the index from where it has to be stopped, right? So I'll just give this 1, and it must be stopped at, let me say, 5. And again, guys, excluding 5, which means it is printing from 1 to 4. So 5 is excluded. So let me check with that and refresh the browser. And here we got I space he. The reason is because we are starting the slicing process from index 1, which is in our case it is I, and end the process up to 5, excluding 5, which means up to 5 is 4, right? So we are ending up in E. So it means I space and he. That's it. So and hence we are getting IHE. So if I just increment this the value to, let me say, 7, and let me check the output of that. And this is guys, this is the thing, and I'm sorry for that. I hell that's not seem to be proper, so I'll just include 8, and it is say hi hello. That's it. So, and I can also give the negative values, like instead of printing this, I'll just say -2. So of course we can give the negative index. It's not just an index, we are just indicating that up to where the slicing process should end. So if we don't give the second parameter, it will take to the end of the string. So if we specify the parameter, it will stop at that point. So if we can also give the negative point, negative parameter, let me check what happens in that. So as you can see, it's printing IHEL. The reason is because it stops after two characters at the end of the string. So as you can notice here, uh, the -2 indicates stop at last but two characters. So we are excluding last two characters. That's it. So if I just say -4, so it excludes last four character in that string. As you can see, this is what it is, guys. And of course, guys, we have done with the parameter slice with one parameter and with the next parameter, and we have got the negative parameters in the second parameter. And of course we can deal with some kind of arithmetic operation like 10 minus 8, which means 10 minus 8 is 2. So we are stopping at 2. That's it. So if I refresh the browser, and we got I. The reason is because we are starting at 1 and ending up till until 2, which means it excludes 2 and it again prints 1 itself. 1 in the, which means the index, the character at index 1, which is I, and hence we are getting the I. That's it, guys. This is all about the slice. Go ahead and practice it a lot in your PCs, and just work around with this method, because it seems to be difficult for the beginners and seems to be difficult, all of these parameters and all of this. And I've given you all of the reference thing over here. You can make sure that you can refer this and practice it in your PCs, and get well versed with that. That's it, guys. This is all about the slice method. It is so important whenever it is in whenever we need to do some text processing or string manipulation and string processing kind of stuff. And this is it all about the slice, and see you in the next video.